pastel rainbow colours, so pretty. And Bing, the famous TV character, and his little companion. I've got a little edible, well, it's the cake pop sticks aren't edible, and the wire that the little flags are sitting on aren't edible, but the little flags are edible. And they've got the name Nelly on them. I'm topped with pastel flowers and leaves, and then this ruffle design that goes all the way around the cake in these pastel colours, like pastel rainbow. The birthday girl's having a little garden party and she's got lots of pastel coloured balloons. So Mum wanted the cake to match, but it had to be Bing apparently, because they're Nellie's favourites. Another 8-inch cake, so this is a big one. This one's lemon flavour today. So pretty. I love these ruffles. Absolutely love them. Less time consuming as well, compared to the ruffles that you really scrunch up tightly. I mean, don't get me wrong, it still took me a long time to do, but half the time it would have taken me to do the other kind of ruffles. So there we are.